Deers. Beef. Beefing with the deers. Did you think this is going to be an aesthetic montage of Japan? Sadly, this isn't that. Welcome back! Hello if you're new to the channel, my name is Trix and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you through my experience in Kobe and Nara. Mind you, I filmed all of this last year of November. It's now July 2025. I have no reason why I did not finish this earlier. I was mainly procrastinating because I had absolutely no idea how to finish this video because I was living too much in the moment. I forgot that I was supposed to make a video and I still don't know how to finish it. But we're gonna keep it simple with a little bit of back and forth narration from this year's Trixia to last year's Trixia. And then, yeah, we'll see how it goes. There's literally no plan. Thank you guys so much for 100 plus subscribers. I don't think I've thanked you guys yet. I know I've been away for so long on YouTube and I really apologize for that. But if you want to catch me, you can catch me on Instagram at trixia or my TikTok, Castaways, if you want to see what other shenanigans I'm doing. Let's go back to the Kobe shenanigans, okay? We are now in Kobe. I didn't film at all in Kyoto because we were just in the train station, it was raining. Now it's not.
Currently, it is crowded. We ask for your cooperation in driving together.
Oh, Melissa! Oh, Melissa!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, Melissa! I can see the sea from here.
Oh, meron to sa ano? Sa UP Town. Masarap na ang thick naman. Earth honey. Sarap. Masarap yung honey nila. Sabi naman. Honeycomb. Got myself a room spray. Now I'm walking back to my parents to finish my soup. So I still have this scent right here. I've had this already for 9 months. The lady said this would expire in 3 months because it's using pure natural essential oils, but I don't listen. So let's spray this on my pillow. If you know Sonia's Garden, it smells like that, or like a rose sparkling soda. It still smells really good and very herbally. I like that. It smells like flowers. It smells like herbs. I highly recommend the fragrance making shop. This specifically is so great for introverts like me, and I clearly did not use up a lot because I am cherishing this room spray.
Looking, picking, when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some never, just let me know.
So this is a bag I got from the pier at Kobe. I forgot what the name was. Oh my god. But this is from the store Ibus in Kobe. This is made in Kobe. It's made of genuine cow leather. And you know, it's a pretty sturdy bag. Like, this bag is like meant to last. It's a messenger type bag. And it has a lot of pockets inside. Usually, I don't go for this clasp as like the main closure for a bag because I do not want to get pickpocketed. A lot of things can fit in here, so I really like using this bag when I go to school and I feel lazy to bring a backpack. I recommend their bags. I would love to get another bag from them when I do go back to Kobe. So Evas, if you're seeing this, I love your bags. Please send me one. I love you guys. Arigatou gozaimasu. Daisuki desu. I hope I said that right. So hello, this is Editing Trixia here. I'm gonna fill you into the context of what happened during the trip going to Kobe Illuminage. Now, we thought that this would be like a 10-minute ride from Kobe Chinatown to Kobe Illuminage. It was not. It was a 1.5-hour ride because it was all the way up in the mountains and we had no idea. We pinned the wrong location. We didn't expect it to be that long. But do I still think it's worth it? I think it's worth it if you want to see something that's not normally part of the Kobe experience for tourists. Because when we were there were like a lot of locals there. There were some Koreans, but mostly locals. And they really did a good job with the lights, which you will see in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is it still very cold?
Yeah?
Is it still very cold?
Yes.
Cold pa rin? Maglakad ka.
I'm so confused.
Advertising is based on one thing: happiness. And you know what happiness is? Happiness is the smell of a new car. It's freedom from fear. It's a billboard on the side of the road that screams with reassurance, whatever you're doing, it's okay. You are okay.
Ito diretso temple, yung Kasuga, dun sa kabila.
We are in Todafuji Temple. Todaiji Temple. I got blessed by a bunch of incense. My eyes are watering because of the smoke. Now we're in Buddha's presence.
Keep that.
Ayan. Ang kulit naman kayo ah. Lahat na. Wala na po. Tapos na. Salamat po. Wala na.
Ba't di ko makita?